Ditch jump. Let's do it. Nail it! Almost. Need to throw a kicker jump up.
I gotta get my front end out. Something's busted.
Yeah.
Going, Tyler? No, Dog just wants to get at it.
Yeah, got her. Ooh. Still a lot better.
One more.
Yeah. I like big jumps and wheelies and stuff like that, especially when it's not my truck. Look great on film. The smash factor's even better. Yeah, buddy. Nice. Drive it like you stole it. Or making payments. Oh man! Oh dude, that was brutal.
You get all that?
I got a piece of it on here.
Look at my body.
Oh my god. Harsh.
Everything's pushed up now.